Hey, hi friends. நிறைய பேர் ஆஃப் கேம்பஸ் ஜாப் சர்ச் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு தான். Accenture and CTS ரீசெண்டா ஆஃப் கேம்பஸ் ஹைரிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அந்த ஜாப் டீடைல்ஸ், லொகேஷன், எலிஜிபிலிட்டி அண்ட் ஹைரிங் ப்ராசஸ் பத்தி இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஜாப் அப்டேட்ஸ் வேணும்னா இந்த வீடியோக்கு ஒரு லைக்கை போட்டு எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Okay, let's look at the first role from Accenture, which is Packaged App Development Associate. The experience that is required is 0 month to 1 year 11 months. So freshers can also apply. Okay, keep this in mind. Freshers can apply. Location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurugram, Kolkata, Indore, Jaipur, Coimbatore, Ahmedabad, and Bhubaneswar. So this is a bulk hiring. So bulk hiring they are doing. So that means a lot of openings will be there in Accenture in these locations. Okay. So the application link is working as on date that I've checked, and they have not mentioned anything about the last date as well. So you can go ahead and apply. Okay. Now let's look at the description about the role. So the designation is Associate Software Engineer. That is the designation that they have given. And this is a small introduction about Accenture. Everyone knows about this. It's a professional services, IT services company, which are with a global footprint. Okay, so there is no need of introduction about the company. Let's look at the role overview. So they're asking that the person they are giving some description about the team. Join our team that is developing, designing, and maintaining technologies that improve the way our clients and the world work. It's a generic statement, right? So you don't have to worry about this. Let's go down. So what would you do? What is the role? Basically the responsibilities, right? As an associate software engineer, you would largely be involved in designing, building, testing, assembling, supporting, and configuring application using business requirements. Understand the business drivers that will impact the performance and deliver software. Bake technology trends into solutions. Participate in the development of automation solutions. And responsible for incident resolution and support extended to customers. So it's a typical software engineer role. That is what is given in the job description. Okay. And what are they looking for? What we need? So we would love you to have these qualities: ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude to learn and new skills faster, good analytical is very critical, good analytical problem solving skills, proficient in verbal and communication skills. Since Accenture is a global IT services company, so English communication is a must. Okay. And delivered code to time and quality expectations, and participate in peer reviews. Take ownership. Again, this is a very important part in any job, not just in software engineer role. You should be able to own the project that you're working on and deliver successfully. And next one is support infrastructure operations and or manage delivery of IT production system and services. Okay, and the next thing is flexibility to relocate for project deployment to any part of India and work in 24/7 shift basis. So this is a very critical thing. That means there is no fixed shift, so the shifts would rotate. Okay, and here the next thing is they are saying these qualities or these technologies, if you know, it's preferable but not mandatory. Okay, so basic understanding of ABP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP, and performance analysis. Experience or knowledge in configuration, customization of Salesforce applications. If you have experience, then if you are specifically experienced in these domains, it will be helpful, because this role is not just for freshers. 0 to 1 year and 11 months, right? That is what we saw, correct? At the top, that is what we saw. So 0 to 1 year and 11 months. So including people with lesser experience can also do. And next one is good working knowledge of J2E and full stack development. Okay, and the last thing is knowledge and development experience of .NET. So if you know this framework, and it'll be preferable but not mandatory. Okay, the next thing is for test automation engineering. These are the roles and responsibilities: creation of test designs, test process, test use cases, and test data. Apply and business and functional knowledge, including testing standards, guidelines, and testing methodology to meet the team's overall test. So these are all for specifically for test automation engineering. They have given the requirement, which are pretty basic and common. Okay, now let's look at the eligibility criteria. This is very important. Minimum criteria. Any engineering stream of B, Tech, ME, Tech, or MC or MSc, and any year of pass out till 2024. That means 2025 pass out is not acceptable. Okay, so only till 2024 from these streams. Okay, and no active backlogs during application and or during onboarding. That means no arrear. No arrear. Okay, arrear should not be there. So all the papers should be cleared. That is very important. Candidate should not have more than 23 months of full-time experience. They have given 1 year and 11 months, right? So that is 23 months. Should not be more than this. So it should be less than is fine. Candidate should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment in the last 3 months. So they are explicitly telling you, if you have applied for Accenture in the last 3 months, don't apply again. So don't do it. It is a waste of time. Okay, candidates. Next point is candidates should have completed the relevant degree in the stipulated duration of the degree. Hence, there should not be gaps between the course of your degree. So, candidate must complete the 4-year BTech course in 4 years. If you have taken 5 years to complete, then you are not eligible. It's very important. Okay, and then students must have Indian citizenship. So, for Bhutan and Nepal nationals, can work in India without a need for obtaining a work visa. All other foreign nationals require a work visa or OCA. So we can ignore that. Okay. So these are the eligibility criteria. Now let's go. So if you look at the, let me just put this. Okay, we already went through the eligibility criteria and the process. Okay, the process, let's look at it. Let's clear it. Okay, if you are eligible, this is application link, by the way, and I will also be giving the application link in the YouTube description. In the same video description, I'll be adding it. You can click on it and then you can apply. So if you're eligible, you will receive an email invitation to attend online assessment. This assessment is scheduled in 2 stages and must be completed within the scheduled time. Okay, the mock assessment, you will get a 20-minute mock slash practice assessment. Mock assessment is mandatory and it will ensure that you have the right hardware, software, and internet. This assessment will help you get an experience of the assessments as well. Okay. Now they have also given you what is the assessment components. First is the cognitive and technical assessment. This is for 90 minutes to complete the test, and 90 minutes has 90 questions. Okay, 50 questions in cognitive and technical assessment, and then technical assessment includes 40 questions. They're given the split. Okay, so English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, abstract reasoning. So these are basically aptitude and reasoning. Okay, aptitude and reasoning questions. So I've given some sample videos in the description from Placed Institute. We have solved previous year Accenture paper. Please go through them. And there is also a WhatsApp link for getting your doubts clarified. You can join that WhatsApp group for free. You can get all the aptitude doubts clarified as well. Okay. And technical assessment includes 40 questions on common application in MS Office space, pseudocode based questions, fundamentals of networking, security, and cloud. Okay. Cognitive and technical assessment result will be notified within 5 to 10 minutes post completion. You are advised to remain seated and await result. So coding assessment. So after the cognitive and technical, coding assessment will commence immediately post the result notification. Okay, there is sectional, very important, sectional and subsectional cutoff in assessment. So you need to pass that criteria in each sectional cutoffs. Only then you will be able to go to the further rounds. Candidate let me clear this. Candidate must participate in coding assessment mandatorily post clearing the cognitive and technical assessment. Okay, candidate who do not clear cognitive and technical assessment or fail to participate will end their candidature then and there. Okay, these are mandatory to go to the next round. Okay, let's go to the coding assessment bit. Coding assessment is for 45 minutes. Okay, you will get 2 questions that must be solved in any one of the following. See, that is with this is pretty good for all the freshers. You can use any coding language that you're comfortable, C, C++, .NET, Java, Python to solve that question. This is the second round, second assessment. And third assessment is the communication assessment. Duration of this assessment is approximately 30 minutes. You will receive a separate email with timelines and login details to participate. So communication assessment will assess you on the below mentioned parameters. Sentence mastery. How well you are able to say and communicate a sentence. How is your vocabulary? How is your fluency? Are you good with English? And how is your pronunciation? Like whatever words that you're telling, are you able to communicate it properly? Are you able to enunciate it properly? That will be assessed. Again, at Placed Institute, we also provide interview coaching. So if you feel you're not good with these communication assessments bit, you can take coaching from us and you can master the art of communicating in a very clear and crisp manner. Okay. So the WhatsApp number is given at the description. You can message us at 79758 to know more details about the coaching, interview coaching from Placed Institute. So this is the process and this is the application link. I've also given the application link in the description. You can click on it, okay, and then apply. உங்களுக்கு ஆப்டிடியூட் அண்ட் பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தால் பிளேஸ்ட் வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணி உங்கள் டவுட்ஸை கேட்டு கிளியர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, now let's look at the second role from Cognizant. They're specifically hiring for .NET developer. Okay, so .NET is a framework. So if you know this, then you can apply for this role. And they have not given any experience level in this role. So even freshers can apply. If you know .NET, that should be sufficient. So proficiency with the programming language and tools of choice for the product. That is all. Okay. The responsibilities, the designation that they're hiring for a software engineer associate role. Okay. At Cognizant, Trizetto. So Trizetto is a IT consulting company that was acquired by Cognizant. So specifically for Trizetto project, you'll be working on it, and you'll be responsible for analyzing, designing, programming, and testing Trizetto software programs. Okay, let me clear this. Trizetto software programs and applications, you will be specifically working on them. Okay, working closely with the product design, business analysis, systems analysis, quality assurance, and customer support to enhance and maintain and support software solutions to business problems. So it's a typical software engineer role. It's not a testing role. So these responsibilities indicate that. So we need to use strong logic and computer language skills combined with healthcare industry and practical knowledge, deliver and maintain applications and software providing comprehensive business solutions to the healthcare industry. So there is no mention of the experience. So freshers can also apply. Okay, there is no mention about the experience. Okay, and the rest is about Cognizant community. You can ignore that. Okay, now let's look at on the right side, right? So there is a job ID given, travel required. No, that means it's a single location role. Okay, so job category is technology engineer. Location is Chennai. Specifically, the office will be from Chennai, and it's a recently posted job, just Jan 2022. They have posted. So application link. It's a full-time role. Okay, and it's a hybrid mode as well. So partly work from home and partly you can work from your home as well. And the application link is here. It's working. We tested it, and I've given the application link in the description. You can apply to this Cognizant .NET developer role. And so we have also solved, as part of the first round, ideally there will be an aptitude question. Okay, so the first round would be, let me write it here. First round would be aptitude round. Okay, and so please go through the video that we have given in the description. Okay, so this aptitude round will consist of questions from time on or time on multiple things, including reasoning question. We've already solved a previous year question. You can go through the video that is given in the description to watch it fully, so that you can be better prepared. Second round will be the coding round. Okay, we have an active community where you can ask any doubt about aptitude or what types of question comes in coding. So the WhatsApp group link is given in the description. You can join that. You can join our Placed WhatsApp group to get your doubts clarified. Okay. உங்களுக்கு ஆப்டிடியூட் கொஷின்ஸ் டஃபாக இருக்குன்னு ஃபீல் பண்ணுறீங்களா? டோன்ட் வரி, நாங்கள் இருக்கோம். இது வரைக்கும் நாங்கள் 1000+ கேண்டிடேட்ஸ்க்கு எக்ஸலண்ட் கோச்சிங் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். வி வில் மேக் யூ பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ரெடி வித்தின் 1 month. இது எங்களோட ப்ராமிஸ். டு கெட் ஆப்டிடியூட் கோச்சிங் ஃப்ரம் IIT and IM graduates, WhatsApp us at 79758 18578. Thanks for watching.